So we're in Tampa Bay, just outside of it, in Ybor City, and there's little birds running around. Don't worry, little buddy, I won't eat you. I'm vegan. They're semi-friendly to people. They don't let you get too close. Beautiful birds. Just came from Orlando and there's lots of swans. Don't worry, where's your little babies? Scampering around. Wings are for flying, not frying. Don't worry, I won't eat you. I'm vegan. And I found their little chicks. There they are. Found their babies. Wings are for flying, not frying. Check out meatvideo.com and meat.org. There's a bunch all in this area. They're actually protected. Yep, we'll feed them a little sunflower seeds.